he hesitates if something comes up, then mayroon na umatras. Mayroon na umatras. Kung sa kanya, never mind. You almost confidence.
But sir, sabi mo may problema na sa trust? May problema na sa trust?
I think meron ng konting na-crack yung trust niya.
Pero
Because tumawag siya eh.
Oh, yes.
Tapos mga tao niya yan.
Yes.
Tapos, hindi
One
lumalaban pa kayo.
responsibility.
Yung mga tao mo, pagka tinakot ng security guard, di mag-report sa'yo.
So, sir,
Yes.
over
One responsibility.
Yeah, I think so.
And sir, yung mga tao nasa baba, di ba nasa
But I'm not the only one saying that. It is the court who dismissed the case, by the way. Kami may cover-up. It's also the PNP who investigated.